Today I'm going to show you how to create this crazy 3D motion track Polaroid effect in After Effects. By the way, my name is Bonnie Odin from Pixodin. Without any further ado, let's jump right into After Effects. In After Effects, I have two scenes already imported. So what I'm going to do right now is to drag and drop my Polaroid inside After Effects. Just like that, drag it to the comp. Then press S on a keyboard for scale it down, drag it to the side. And make sure the clip you want to put inside the Polaroid is below the Polaroid frame. Select the clip, press S on the keyboard, scale it down, drag it to the Polaroid frame. So what I'm going to do right now is to crop the edges. I'll go to my effect and presets, type in crop edges. Drag the crop edges to my clip. Go ahead and delete the top crop edges. Boom. We'll want to crop the left as well as the right. Boom. We have that scale perfectly. And next we'll want to pre-compose these two by pressing Ctrl, clicking on both of them, right-clicking, pre-compose. And make sure move all attribute is checked as well as adjust composition duration. Now we have the pre-composition. Go ahead and click on the 3D box right here to turn this layer into a 3D. Now drop down the transform and play with the rotation to give it a cool angle. We'll also want to play with the position. Then keyframe the position as well as the rotation. Then go to the end of the clip and play with the rotation a little bit as well as the position. Now that we got our keyframes, we want to press Ctrl and select the keyframe, right click, keyframe assistant, ease out, then go to the beginning, right click, keyframe assistant, ease in. This gives it a smooth movement. As you can see, the video is playing inside the Polaroid. We can take this even further by adding the motion blur to the foreground and the background. Go back to effect and presets, type in camera blur lens. Drag and drop the camera blur lens to the pre-composition, also to the video clip. And what we want to do right now is to keyframe the foreground in focus and the background out of focus. Vice versa. I'm just going to set my foreground in focus, go to blur radius, keyframe, set it to 0. Then go to my pre-comp, blur radius, set it to 10. Drag the clip somewhere about 4 seconds, set the keyframe to 0. On the pre-comp, go to your video clip, set it to 10 to blur the background. And now we have this cool effect of the background in focus and the foreground coming into focus. Boom, just like that, we've created a 3D motion track Polaroid effect in After Effects. If you want more of this After Effects tutorial, leave the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you on the next one. Peace.